Hello, my name is Wendy with Mann Lake, and today we are going to extract some honey. So I'm just going to go over a few forms that we can do that with. So we do have our hot knife, which you could use. We have your uncapping scratchers, both of them same usage. This one's a little bit longer as far as the spikes on there, and we have the uncapping punch. So we are going to get our frame, and I have the uncapping scratcher as the first method. You're going to just tip it sideways. You're going to gently use this to uncap just the top of the uncapping. You don't want to take too much of that wax out. And then I have a bucket over here. I'm just going to put these uncappings in here. Oops. And then I'll put this outside later and let the bees clean it. So again, I'm just taking lightly off the top of that. Same thing, coming from the bottom up to the top. Making sure not to take all of that wax out, because we are going to put this back into the beehive for the bees once we spin that. Okay, so we have just a little right here. You also want to make sure that your frame is at least 75% filled with honey. So we're going to flip it over, do the same method on this side as well. And then of course, another thing to mention, since I am taking their feed off of their hive, I am going to go and put some feed back on their hive just to help them, since I did take this off. That seems pretty good. So we're going to put this one into the extractor over here. So we have that one done. So the next one, we're going to do the uncapping punch. This one is just the roll method. And you're just going to gently go up and down. The foundation is going to punch a little hole in it. You want to make sure that it's piercing it to get that honey out when we spin it. It's about 75%. There is still uncapped nectar there, but it's pretty decent to put it in the extractor. And then the next one, we are going to do the hot knife. This one's already preset, so we just have to go right down or up the foundation. It's just going to cut it. So this is going to be on the Pierce hot knife, which is preset. So all you do is plug it in and just gently go up that frame. This is not straight across. It's kind of bumpy, so it's hard for it to cut right up. Okay, and since that is like that, I'm just going to use the other method just to get this little bit. Make sure you get all that capping. So we're just going to try going down. And again, it's not built out evenly, so it is just barely touching it. Okay, so I'm going to put this frame in here, and I'm going to have Jenna come help me hold the extractor. It is going to be off-centered a little bit since that one frame is a little lighter than the three. So we're going to spin this for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, we're going to take it out, rotate the frames, and spin again. Okay, so right now we're having the honey filter into our filter that is in our 5-gallon bucket with honey gate. What it's going to do is filter into that pail, make it easier for me to bottle my honey when I am ready. We do carry 200, 400, and 600 micron. It's just a filter that pops right into your 5-gallon pail, and that's how you extract honey. So now is the time that you want to extract. This is the easiest form of method for me. We do have other methods available. If you have any questions or would like any more information, you can give us a call or visit our website.
Thank you for watching. We're glad to be able to provide these videos to help you be successful with your beekeeping journey. If you like this video, like and subscribe, or visit our website, manlakeltd.com, for more beekeeping information. Thanks and have a great day.